Drive Start Control, or DSC, is a critical safety feature in Lexus vehicles designed to prevent unintended acceleration. This system has been protecting drivers since 2006 across most Lexus models. The system continuously monitors your driving inputs through the dashboard and pedal sensors. It's designed to intervene when it detects potentially dangerous acceleration patterns that could indicate driver error or pedal confusion. DSC relies on sensor integration and ECU processing. The engine control unit analyzes inputs from brake pedal sensors, accelerator pedal sensors, and transmission position sensors to detect potentially dangerous driving patterns. The accelerator pedal position sensor is crucial for DSC operation. It continuously monitors pedal position and sends voltage signals to the ECU, allowing the system to detect unusual input patterns that might indicate driver confusion. Recent data shows increased DSC issues in hybrid models like the ES300H, RX450H, and NX300H. This is due to complex interactions between electric and gasoline powertrains. Since 2023, false activations have increased by 15%, with more reports of temperature sensitivity and software-related malfunctions. DSC activates in specific scenarios designed to prevent accidents. The most common trigger is simultaneous brake and accelerator depression, shown here. The system also responds to rapid acceleration from a stop when obstacles are detected, or when it identifies unusual pedal input patterns that suggest driver confusion. Understanding how DSC works is essential for diagnosing issues. The system integrates multiple sensors and relies on sophisticated ECU processing to make split-second safety decisions. While generally reliable, awareness of current trends and common failure points helps in maintaining optimal system performance. When your Lexus Drive Start Control system malfunctions, a systematic approach to troubleshooting will help identify and resolve the issue efficiently. The first step is proper diagnosis. Start by identifying whether the problem is hardware-related, software-related, or caused by environmental factors. Hardware problems are the most common cause of DSC malfunctions. Let's examine the three main components that typically fail and their solutions. The brake light switch is the most common culprit. Symptoms include DSC malfunction warnings and brake lights not working properly. Replacement costs $50 to $150 plus labor. Accelerator pedal sensor issues cause erratic throttle response and false DSC activations. The accelerator pedal assembly replacement costs $200 to $400 with an 85% success rate. Brake pedal position sensor failure causes inconsistent brake pedal feel and DSC warnings. Sensor calibration or replacement costs $150 to $300. Software issues often require an ECU reflash at the dealership. This costs $100 to $200 and resolves 60% of software-related cases. Professional diagnosis uses OBD2 scanning to check for specific trouble codes. The most common DSC-related codes are P054, P2138, and P0571. Prevention is key to avoiding DSC problems. Follow regular maintenance schedules, keep software updated, avoid simultaneous brake and accelerator inputs, and consider annual DSC system inspections.